Crime in the UK can be classified into 4 categories: offence against the person, violent offence, sexual offence, offence against a property. This bar chart shows people's opinion on what age group they think are most likely to be involved in offending. By looking at the chart, we can conclude that people thought citizens aged between 0 to 15 are most likely to be involved in offending. However, evidence shows that people aged between 16 to 24 are most likely to be involved in offending. This bar chart shows people's opinion on what gender they think are most likely to be involved in offending. By looking at the chart, we can tell that people thought males are most likely to be involved in offending. This is a prime example of what an offender would look like. However, there are predominantly more white males in prison than black males. This bar chart shows people's opinion on who they think are more likely to become a victim. By looking at the graph, we can tell that people think that old people are more likely to become victims of a crime. However, evidence shows that young people are more likely to become victims.
I just wanna chill, catch stunts on my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see.
Crimes in the USA can be classified into 2 groups: minor being petty theft, or major as in terrorism.
Got some question that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come over there. This is baby girl. It's easy to love me now, but you love me if I was down.
American and British crimes, are they similar? They are similar in terms of the types of criminals. In both countries, young men are most likely to be the criminal. There are over-representation in terms of ethnic minorities in both countries, but the diaspora groups and minority groups are very different. In America, the biggest minority group now are people from Hispanics, people from South America in particular, whereas we have a very small Spanish population, so that's a big difference. And secondly, the big difference is the violence that we see in America compared to the violence we see in the UK. The murder rate in America is far superior to the murder rate in the UK. So for example, the numbers of people killed in a city such as Baltimore or Chicago by guns are greater than the entire murder rate by guns in the UK. So that is a significant difference. There's also a difference finally in drugs. Although we both have drug problems in America, the fastest growing drug problem is a drug called methamphetamine, which is super strong speed, which really isn't available in the UK, whereas in the UK people are using cocaine and illegal highs. So the drug problem is also quite different.
Love for me, girl. It's easy to love me now, but you love me if I was down. And how would you still have love for me, girl? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sentenced to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there?